Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting it from your phone. Now you can see here, I have Google Photos, and let's say this is the photo that I wanted to delete, but I only wanted to delete it from Google Photos and not on my phone. If I tap on that little trash icon at the bottom right, you can see it says allow Google to delete this photo. It says this photo will be deleted from iCloud Photos on all your devices, including on my iPhone. So if I hit the delete button here, essentially it will delete it even from the Photos app, and I won't be able to get it. It won't be anywhere. But let's just delete it only from Google Photos. So let's tap don't allow here. And you'll be able to see, all right, here is that photo on there. And if I hop out of here, it mimics the same photo that is in the Photos app. Now, what you're going to do instead of that is open up a web browser on your iPhone or Android. And from here, we're going to go directly to photos.google.com. Now, it's really important that you log into the same account. So if you're not sure, tap on those three lines at the top left and make sure you're on the same account that has that Google photo in there. In this case, here is that Google photo. Now, the nice thing is within photos.google.com, I can hit the trash can icon, and it says remove from your Google account devices with backed up turned on, etc., and it will recover some data from Google. So if I move it to trash, I'll show you that this worked. Let's go back out of here, and you can see it's not in photos.google.com. However, if I open up the Google Photos app on my iPhone, you can see it still shows up there. It might basically disappear a little bit, but it will show up after a little bit. And then on my phone here, it will appear here directly on my phone. So you can see it's still on my phone, still in the Photos app. Now, if I go into the Google Photos app and tap on Collections and then Trash, you'll be able to see it's in the trash right here. But if I ever wanted to get it back from Google Photos, I can just tap on Restore. Keep in mind, after 60 days, it will be permanently deleted. But after we saw, it won't actually be deleted because it is still on my phone in the Photos app itself. Unfortunately, it usually syncs it up, so you need to do it in the web-based version of Google Photos to be able to do that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.